In this video, you'll learn how to use Notion Mail effectively. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to navigate and utilize the features available in Notion Mail, ensuring that you can manage your emails. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website by entering, quote, Notion dot, so quote, in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features various options to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, locate the sign in button and click it to proceed. After signing in, look for the option labeled Notion Mail on the left sidebar of the interface. This may take a moment to load depending on your internet connection speed. A loading indicator may appear indicating that the system is processing your request. Once the Notion Mail interface is fully loaded, you will be presented with your inbox and various folders. Next, locate and click on the inbox option. This is where all your incoming emails will be displayed. Upon clicking, you should see a list of your recent emails. The interface may take a moment to refresh depending on the number of emails you have. After reviewing your inbox, click on the Labels option located in the sidebar. This section allows you to organize your emails based on different categories. Once you click on labels, a list of available labels will populate on the screen for your selection. Now, select the social label to view emails categorized under social notifications. This will filter your inbox to show only relevant emails. Wait for the emails to load completely, which may take a few seconds depending on the volume of messages. Next, navigate back to the labels and click on promotions. This section contains promotional emails from various subscriptions and services. Similar to before, allow a moment for the emails to load and display on your screen. Following that, click on Notion Templates to explore template-related emails. Each click may require a brief loading period, so be patient as the contemplates. This area may provide you with helpful resources related to Notion templates. After reviewing templates, proceed by clicking on All Mail. This will display every email you have received, sent or archived. Depending on your email history, loading this section may take a little longer, especially if you have a large number of emails. Next, select the Sent folder to view all emails you've sent out. This section also requires a brief waiting period for the emails to load fully, allowing you to review your sent correspondence. Then, click on Drafts to access any emails you have started but not yet sent. This area is useful for managing incomplete messages. Ensure you wait for the drafts to load completely. Lastly, navigate to the Trash folder to view emails that you have deleted. This is an important area for managing your email organization. Once you click on Trash, the contents will load, allowing you to review any messages that may still be recoverable. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.